almost choked on a bone. Hear the one about the polar bear?
We are here back
Yeah.
at
last
Monkey
week.
Island.
Yeah, well,
Well, if you see, I've just got a new software thing
how's work?
for my web camera that can blot out some of the background. Ooh, yeah.
What's the matter, boy? Smell something? Nice doggy.
What's the matter there, Guybrush?
Of course, I got a black t-shirt, well, black thing on today, so yeah.
Look, Chuck's alive and I'm on the lamb.
I was talking to the dog. Who are you?
Well, it's a little bit loud, isn't it, in my opinion? Can I, well, settings. There must be something here. It's the effects. Here we go. Back. Resume. So that should take a little down.
She named her dog Guybrush?
Yeah, I don't get it either. It's not much of a name if you ask me. It says it's because he's dumb and helpless and keeps getting in the way. But he sure can sniff out the governor's possessions. Maybe you should empty your pockets.
Try and catch me, old man.
Well, I lost me teeth.
Oh, look out for that rake.
So,
Governor, I caught one of your party guests making off with your grandfather's map.
Another would-be treasure hunter, eh? Bring him in.
In here, Guybrush.
Guybrush? Guybrush Threepwood?
The one and only Sugar Bear.
Of all the parties in all the houses on all the islands of the Caribbean, he had to crash mine.
It's destiny, honeycakes.
Don't talk to me.
Snugglepuss.
Get lost.
Punky Doodle.
I'm warning you.
Pooper Duper.
Maybe I should go rake the back 40.
Look at us. Together again. Boy, we haven't been like this since, well...
Since I quit my job and moved away without leaving a forwarding address?
yes.
Is that what happened? Gee, I thought...
Guybrush, can't you take a hint? We were a mistake. I thought we had an agreement.
Well,
You were right. I was a buffoon. And a weenie.
Oh, really?
My life's been meaningless without you.
You're getting warmer.
Life without you is an endless nightmare.
Well, that's not the most stupid thing you've ever said.
Elaine, save me from this whirlpool of misery.
Oh, Guybrush, I know I shouldn't have anything to do with you, but there's something about your weakness and ineptitude that I find infectious.
Does that mean you're going to let me have the map?
The map. Is that what this is all about? I should have known better. If the map's all you care about...
no!
You'd better go out and get it.
Well, first... Well, she's magically...
She's gone. I guess I
disappeared.
really made her mad this time.
Yeah. Well, we need the ore.
Well, maybe she won't miss this old thing.
Can I take the coat while I'm at it?
I think I'm wearing enough women's clothes right now.
Yeah, I think so too. So we go out. And we need the map.
Like the music?
Where'd you get the costume?
Let's get that map.
Ha! Bark as loud as you want. Filbert's out raking the back 40.
Get it.
What the...
Get it.
Hey!
Get it.
Dang wind. Hey!
map! No!
Well, shoot.
Yeah. Well, so now I walk to the dog because I'm gonna pick up the dog.
I'd like to, but this dress just doesn't have the pockets for it. I'm gonna ditch this thing once and for all.
Do that. In normal clothes again?
Okay, dog. You're coming with me.
Yeah, you can always have a dog somewhere on you. So, okay, so now I need some garbage cans somewhere. I don't know where. Push the garbage can.
Hey, what is all the racket? Don't mess with the governor's cans! Who do you think you are?
Well, I'm Guybrush Threepwood.
Hey, come back here! I'm not done yet!
Let's run. The cook is following me?
You better just get out of here!
So get in here. And we need to take the fish. Pick fish. Get out.
Oh, there you are! Anyway, like I was saying, no good punk. If it's not raccoons, it's teenage vandals. Huh.
So, yeah. So we need to go to the woods. Ta 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 ta. I hope you like this new addition to my webcam thing. I know it's not perfect, but it is a huge start when you don't have a background thing. So, we know we need to go to the big tree. Good. You well? We need the ore. This one. Use ore with... Oh. Then we use the plank. Oh, that's gonna hurt. So now it's song and dance time. Enjoy. I know I will.
Ouch! That really hurts. Ooh, wait a minute. Something very strange is going on here. Do not attempt to adjust your set. Dad? Mom? What are you two doing here?
We came looking for you.
Where have you been?
You came looking for me? But I thought you abandoned me.
Why would we do that? We are such loving parents.
Yes, we are.
So what do you two want?
We have some information for you, son.
Really? Great! What is it?
Well, we're going to give it to you in the form of a song.
Excellent.
Okay.
What? Now pay attention. It's a good song. Oh.
The head bone's connected to the rib bone. The rib bone's connected to the leg bone. The leg bone's connected to the hip bone.
Them bones, them bones, them bones. Well, I've taken off the music, so...
Yikes.
Yikes.
What is it? What's wrong?
It's...
Why did you leave me again?
LeChuck.
LeChuck! But I killed you!
You didn't kill me, you little moron. I was already a ghost when you met me. You just destroyed my spiritual essence. A favor that I will now return.
Hey!
Wow. What a dream.
So, we pick up the broken ore, as far as I remember. Good. Yeah. So, we need to get to the dread ship again. Because that ore needs to be fixed, and it needs to be fixed at... the woodsmith in... Scab Island.
Where'd you want to go?
I want to go to Scab Island, man. So... we go to the first door with the woodsmith. Come on. Do I need to? Ah, I don't. Good. I don't keep having to take a long-ass trip like that. So... we go in here, because he needs to fix my ore. Inventory.
Excuse me, could you take a look at this?
Can you fix it?
Looks like a massive fracture. You're gonna be using this? I better reinforce it for you. Here you go, boy.
Thank
Steel
you.
shank, alloy splints, better than new.
Awesomeness. So, we go out here, and now... we need to saw the peg leg off, and the only one who's got a peg leg is up here. Inventory. Where do we have our saw? Here we go. With peg leg. Yeah, I'm mean. So what do we do now? We need to enter the bloody lip bar. Use the banana with the metronome on top of the piano to get Jojo. Cool.
Aye! My leg! Help! Someone get a doctor!
The bones, the bones, the bones, deep, 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 deep.
You're supposed to be cooking.
Yeah, I know.
The knives needed sharpening.
Nice try, but not good enough. You're fired.
Ah, he's firing me. What a dick. Use banana with metronome.
Hey, what'd you do to my piano player?
Well, now I can pick up Jojo. You see, now I got a dog And I
Go
got
ahead and
a
take my
monkey.
entertainment. Thanks for nothing, buddy.
Can I pick this up also?
No thanks. Too many bad memories of piano lessons.
All right. So. Well, oh yeah, I forgot. I need the grog. Grog, please.
Excuse me.
Yeah, boy?
Largo LeGrand has left
Yellow
Scab
beards,
Island
baby.
for good.
Well, I guess all those laxatives I was slipping into his drinks finally got to him.
What?
Don't worry, I don't put him in all the drinks.
Well, grog, please.
Grog, please. Shaken, not stirred.
Maybe you'd like a Shirley Temple instead.
I'm old enough. Look at my beard.
Ha! That's the
Well, I got a
oldest trick
library
in the
card.
book. Tell you what, I'll let you have some near grog. Doesn't have any alcohol in it, but it's just as nasty smelling and foul tasting as that stuff grown-ups drink.
Right on.
Oh, wait. What am I saying? I just sold the last of it to Kate. Sorry.
Rats.
Of course, if you have some ID.
Well, I have a library ID.
Will you accept a temporary library card?
Let me see it. Consultant, you look more like a flooring inspector to me. All right, can I get you that drink now?
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah. What? Yeah, I could really use it.
Yeah, I could really use it.
Name your poison.
What do you got?
Well, we have some specialty drinks here. at the
Yellowbeard's
Bloody
Baby?
Lip, like Yellowbeard's Baby, Bloody Stump, and Blue Whale.
Well, Yellowbeard's Baby.
I'll have Yellowbeard's Baby.
Well, you can try, but I don't think nature's on your side.
Just give me the drink, please.
Hey, I have to crack jokes. It's a union thing. That'll be 1 piece 8.
Okay.
Here you go. And here's a complimentary crazy straw. We give 'em to all new customers of the Bloody Lip.
Bartender, get me a drink.
I need...
Name your poison.
Well, Bluebeard. Blue Whale.
Mix me up a blue whale.
Sorry, blender's not big enough. Oh, but seriously, that'll be 1 piece 8.
Okay.
There she blows.
Nice place you have here. Well, see ya.
Well, now I need some hammer and nails. And I'm hoping this dude in here isn't here anymore, as far as I can see.
Get your hands away from there. It's not a toy. Hey, don't touch those.
So what do I do
I need
then?
all of them.
Walk up to the door to the right and in the woods. Get the hammer, get the nails. Why? How do I get that?
Yeah?
Largo LeGrand will never bother you again.
Yeah. I heard Marty stuck a bunch of pins in his underwear or something. Drove him right out of town.
No, it was me.
You? What were you doing with Largo's underwear?
Well, no, never mind. Nice apron. Are you some sort of chef?
No. I'm a woodsmith, which gives one of us an excuse for dressing funny.
I'd like to look around a bit.
Sure thing.
Pounds and pounds of nails.
I need all of them.
It says Woody.
That's me.
So how do I get the hammer?
I can't move it.
Get your hands away from there. It's not a toy. Oh, no, you don't. I need all of them.
So, Well, walk up to the door on the right and into the woods. Get the hell out. How? There's no way to get those. You know that.
Get away from there. I need all of them.
Do I give him something?
Nice craftsmanship.
I made it myself.
Ah, I know. Maybe there's the thing that he needs a new peg leg. And yeah. And that's why he's gonna go up here to take measurements or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna saw that off again. And then I'm gonna go go back there. Could be. Else I'm gonna talk to him.
Aye! My leg! Help! Someone get a doctor!
So we walk to the shop now, and hopefully he is gone. If not, well, we go back here to talk to him. Yeah, he's gone. That's it. Ha ha! Goody goody. Goody goody gumdrops. So, give me just a second. So, now we're going on to the ship again to get back to Fat Island. Yeah, I like going to Fat Island.
Where'd you want to go?
I want to go to Fat Island, man. Cool. So now we're on Fat Island, and well, we walk to the fisherman. So let's talk to him, and yeah. That's
Caught
this
anything
one.
yet?
Are you kidding? I reached my limit hours ago.
Well, I'm Guybrush.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty fisherman.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm the best fisherman on these islands.
I'm the best fisherman in these isles.
Oh, I beg to differ with you. I'm the best fisherman in these isles.
No. 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 You couldn't fish
You?
your way out
Oh,
of
you
a
couldn't fish
paper
your way out of
bag.
a paper bag.
What? The pike I catch make Pike's Peak look like an anthill. That's why I'm known as the blowfish.
More like the
You
blowhard.
mean the blow hard.
Listen, bait for brains. I'm the best around, and that is that.
Well,
Not if your line is as weak as your lines.
Perhaps you'd like to make a small wager,
yeah.
Mr. Fisherman?
Sure.
Sure, I'll take your bet.
Let me tell you what I had in mind first. If you can catch a bigger fish than I can, I'll give you my prize-winning fishing pole.
Cool.
Sounds fair.
If I catch a bigger fish than you, you have to eat it. Raw.
Rah.
Raw?
Plain cold and with the head still on it. What do you say?
Well, sure, right.
All right, it's a bet.
Great. I am really looking forward to making you eat my catch. What with all the sewage from Governor Fat's mansion, the fish are usually pretty gross. I never eat mine. Just sell them to restaurants. Best get fishing, buddy.
I already have a fish. Remember? This one?
Think I'll drop a line right here. Plunk. Wow, I've got a nibble already. Holy cow, he's a monster. I've got him. What a battle.
Wow! This is the biggest... well, it's almost as big as the Leviathan I just hauled in.
Really? Where is this Leviathan? I think you're lying.
Yeah, you're right. It was just a fish story. I guess you win. Here, take the pole.
Thank you. And with that fishing story, I think I will, again, continue on to the next video, because it's coming close to the end. So, see you in the next Monkey Island. That'll be Monkey Island, well, not next Monkey Island, but next episode of Monkey Island, episode 5. Yeah. So, bye!